Hey besties, what's up SBM gang? I'm back with another tutorial and it's really no shade. Okay, so Amanda Hair sent me this bust down. They always send me bust downs. This is like their third bust down they done sent me. This time it's 613. So I said, let me play with some colors. Let's have a little fun. Let's do a ponytail. So we done did a crazy look that I would have never done last year or even earlier this year, because I'd be scared to try stuff. So that's my new theme for this year. Let's try things that I know I wouldn't have tried last year. So that's what we did with the look, the final product. So because I knew she wasn't going to keep this look in for too long, I didn't use the tape. I'm telling you, if you only doing your look for like a day, 2 days, even if it's just a week, don't put that tape on, because that tape is going to last 2 to 3 weeks, okay? And it's really no shade. So we only did 3 layers of our active. I didn't even use the lemon burst. I used the active adhesive just to show that they all work and they all work good. Once those layers of glue are dried and clear, emphasis on clear, because some of y'all be laying y'all lace while it's still white. That is not hot. Wait till your glue is dried clear and also apply it flat so it can dry clear fast. It's no shade. But yes, apply that lace. Don't put it too far up, don't put it too far back, and just tie it down. Razor combs are always the best option when cutting off lace. You can use scissors. Some people like to use scissors, but for me, every time I do it, it don't matter how much I wiggle my wrist or zigzag the scissors, it still be looking like I tapered fade the wig, and it's not giving that ever. So I'm just gonna always use my eyebrow razors. Get into this melt on this lace. Amanda Hairs did not place. Y'all know sometimes them 613 wigs be hard to plug, be hard to melt, but this one was very easy. There was no struggle. Everything just went how it was supposed to go. That's how you know you just got a good wig, period. The styling process for this type of updo is very, very easy. You just have to make it easy. I know last year when I would do ponytails and people would ask, I would always get so nervous. I would never know, like, okay, how I'm gonna melt it, which products I'm gonna use to get the ponytail flat, how I'm gonna add the hair to the ponytail. Stop doing the most. Get you some got-to-be spray and a hot comb. Make sure that hair is flat in that ponytail. And then if you want a really full like ponytail look, like how Eric and Tay be doing it, do it just like this. Like literally wrap something around the top of the ponytail, just so you don't have a bunch of glue all over the hair in case you want to wear the hair outside of the ponytail. And just wrap the hair, start from the top and work your way to the bottom. And it's that simple. Just make sure your ponytail's in the center. Make sure everything's flat. You use your hot comb. You use your got-to-be spray. And it's so, I used to make these hairstyles so hard to do. And even now, I still got a lot of work to do on them as far as making them seamless and stuff. Just doing them makes it way more easier, because when you overthink, you just make it hard and then you just don't never grow. So don't be like me and just do something. You see something on Instagram, it's a cute hairstyle, but you feel like you don't know how to do it, just go for it. Grab a homegirl. It's always gonna be a homegirl that want a free hairstyle. So just grab a homegirl and practice. And that's where I'm at this year. Like anything I think I don't know how to do, I'm gonna just practice and get over it. Like it's no shade, period. So once we get the hard part out of the way, which is the ponytail, I go in with my mini flat iron, curl these baby hairs, style them with my hairspray, and that's pretty much the final look. Thank you to Amanda Hair for always sending me quality wigs. This is their third bust down they done sent me. So I love Amanda's hair. Definitely check them out if you haven't already. Shout out to Zari the Barbie for always coming through with the look. She kills her makeup every time. Make sure y'all go follow her on all her social medias. The SBM gang family is growing. We're almost at 10K. I say every video because we really get closer and closer each upload. It's really no shade. Shout out to y'all. Bye.